Again to my YouTube series tutorial, and today we're going to create the last component, the book component over here. So let's get started. Open up your book.js, and I'm gonna copy the existing one from home.js. So copy this until this, okay, and then paste it here. Nice. And map you, style sheet, and aspect ratio. And then the marker. I think I don't need the marker anyway, so I'm gonna remove the marker. So okay, and the map style. Save it, and then we have the map view here. Oh, Safari view. Oh, and I'm gonna create style. Nice. And then I'm gonna add another filter icon. The name is X, and the size also 24. Okay, and then I'm gonna change the style, so the style will be header, and the header will have justify content center, space between, and I'm gonna change the flag direction to row. The align items will be center, space between. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the bottom component, so put it in here. Also, I'm gonna copy the custom vector icon and the data also the icon car component. Okay. I'm gonna add view and I'm gonna map the data, but I will wrap it in another view first, and then data map data, and we'll return component view and the text, and the text will be data name, and also the car icon name will be data icon, and the size will be 40. Save it. I always forgot the key. Okay, and then I'm gonna change the style, styles, button content, button, and here will be I don't know, category wrapper, and it will be unnecessary. Just copy this part and paste in here. I'm gonna change style. I'm gonna change the position to absolute, and width will be same as a width of the device, and the bottom is 0. And then the category wrapper will have the flag direction, row, justify content, space between line items, center. I'm gonna add some padding horizontal 20 and padding vertical 10. Save it. And I'm gonna add the background color of white. Nice. Oh, I forgot to create this button, so I'm gonna create the button first. And here I will have icon name. Yeah. maybe create. Nice. I'm gonna use icons. So import icons from Activator icon icons. And the name is grid. Size will be 24. Icons. Nice. And the color will be white. Here will be action button wrapper. We will have a width 40 and height also 40, and for the radius line items center, justify content also center. The background color is this one. Save it. With okay. Gonna change the size, it's a bit too big, and the size maybe 20, 18. Okay. Okay. Same. And I'm gonna change the align self be center. Okay. And the margin bottom 30. Okay. Nice. Okay, back to the category. So I'm gonna change the color. So as always, I mean I already apply on a home, so I'm gonna copy the existing one. So it will have style like this. It's also for the icon. Paste it, then save. Okay, I'm gonna change the justify content to center. Wait, no, it's not working. Maybe yeah, align item, sorry. And then I'm gonna add this component, this view, and I'm adding another view down here. And then another view. No, text. And the tag is LKR 550 600. and another text. Oh, it has a different style for the note, so I'm gonna wrap it into a view. Okay, have it on up note and another text, really long text. Okay, save it. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm in the wrong. It's down here. Okay, nice. And I'm gonna change the style. Style will be styles, footer, description. And then I'm gonna change the background color to this. Line items will be center, and the padding horizontal will be 40, and padding vertical 10. Okay, and excuse me. And then here, gonna change the flag direction to row. Okay, and then for here will be footer title, and then it will be the title. Now I'm gonna change this to an inline style like this. I'm gonna change the font weight to bold, and the color will be this one, and then it also has same color. Okay, and for footer title, we'll have a color this, and font size will be 20, and font weight bold, and can add margin bottom 10. Okay, maybe not bold, 500. Okay, nice. Okay, 600. Yeah. And then gonna add this button, two button. So gonna add another view here. Another view, and then some text, cast, and another view, and text again, ABC 1 2 3. Yes, and then it will have the flag direction to row, and align items will be center. And down here, maybe I'm gonna change style to styles, footer button, it has also a footer button. Footer button have the background color of this. And then padding horizontal 20, vertical padding 20, and line items be center. So because it absolute, so the width is rep, so the width will be width divided by 2. Okay, nice. But I need some border, so it will have, I'm gonna put the border separately. Border right, color will be this one, and border right width will be 2. Okay, and then here also have to make it proportional. Okay, and the width is -4. Wait, 2 2. Why? Okay, don't need to minus. Okay. And then the tags will have let me see, is it different? Yeah. button text 1. Will be button text 2. Ugh. Okay. And for button text 1, it will have color this one. And font size will be 16, and the font weight 500. And for button text 2, we'll have a color dark gray, and the font weight will be 600. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a button. So the button will have view and text book. No. Oh, wait, sorry. I'll have footer button already exists. Footer call action. It will have footer call action text. I will have width. Background color will be black. Align items will be center. Also a padding vertical will padding top will be 20, but the padding bottom will be 40. Okay, and for this, gonna change the font weight to bold, and the color will be white. And font size 16. Okay, nice. Okay, and then we are going to create a marker, two marker with the road. So how to do that? Okay, let's continue. Inside the map view, I'm gonna add a marker, and the marker will have coordinate attribute. Gonna use the same attribute, the same coordinate from home.js. Okay, and then gonna add a few here. And another few without children. Okay, and if you will have a style, and the style will be styles green dot wrapper. You will have styles green dot maybe it will be dot wrapper dot. Okay, and then copy this and the dot wrapper will have width 30 height, so 30, and border radius also 30, and line items will be center, and justify content also center, align self also center, and the dot will have height 10, width 10, and border radius also 10. Okay, save it. We haven't already seen because there is no background color, so I'm gonna style the background color separately. The background color will have RGBE, and the opacity will be 24. And for the dot, gonna also change the background color. The background color will be same, but I'm gonna use hexadecimal instead of RGBA. Okay, save. Dot wrapper. Oh, okay, nice. And for the second marker, I'm gonna copy this and paste it, but gonna change the coordinate. And the color. opacity also 0.25. Save. Oh, it's to on the bottom, so I'm gonna change the coordinates. So I'm gonna open the maps. Okay. Where is it? There is it. So I'm gonna change the red marker to be here. Nice. Okay, and then I'm gonna add this road path. I'm using map marker direction. So I'm gonna put the map marker direction inside the map view. Map marker. Oh, map marker. No, map view direction. Sorry. And it will have some attribute origin, and the origin is the coordinate. So the origin is the green. No, the origin is the red. And destination is for the green. Okay, and then the APK, from APK import API key from API key, and then the mode is walking, and gonna check the stroke color will be dark gray, and the stroke width 4, and line dash pattern, it's array, come on, 6 array. Okay, nice. Okay, and then I'm gonna add tooltips kind of like this. So how to do that? I'm gonna add another view inside the marker here, down here, another view, and some text, and the text is HTML tag. Okay, and the filter icon name is saffron bright, and the size will be 20. Okay, save it. Okay, and I'm gonna style the tooltips. The style will be styles tooltips. The tooltips will have width, and the background color will be white, and then position related, kind of border have width because it has some border. Would be 6. Save it. I'm gonna change the flag direction to row. Line items will be space. No, it's different. Okay. It's from where is it? Oh, it's right. It's down here. Maybe I'm gonna add another view. Maybe not. Sorry. Okay, and tooltips will have just define content of space between. Okay, and padding would be 10. Okay, nice. And shadow color be black, and shadow offset with 0, and height 2, shadow radius be 5, and shadow opacity be 0.05. Okay, and also border radius be 5, Okay. Can I add some pad margin button? 10. 20. Padding will be 15. Okay. And then I'm gonna change the border color. So where is it? And the border left color will be green. Okay. And for the text, I'm gonna change the style. Also the icon. Save it. Okay. And then I'm gonna add some little bit carrot down here, like a bubble. And I'm gonna use SVG. I'm gonna searching first. Okay, for the SVG, instead of searching on website, I'm gonna create new one on Figma. So if you're familiar with Figma, maybe you can create with a polygon tool, and the width is 20, and I'm gonna rotate it into 180. Okay, and then click edit and copy as SVG, and then paste it here. Okay, and then change the SVG to SVG component that we already imported from React Native SVG, and also the path. Okay, we remove this attribute and then save it. Nice. And then I'm gonna change the position to be absolute, and then the bottom 0 and the left be 100. Save it. Maybe the bottom is minus 10, 15. Okay, nice. And I change a fill to white. Okay, great. And copy all of this and paste it into the marker, into the red marker up here. And change the name to Maharagama Sri Lanka. Oops, sorry. Okay, save it. Nice. but I'm gonna change the border color to be same as like the point color, the dot color. Oh, sorry. Okay, nice. I think that's all for today. Thank you a lot for watching my video, and whoever to support me, don't forget to subscribe, share, and show your tug on a comment description on the comment section, and see you in the next video.